guys, super excited to introduce to you our 3.0 version of our growth stack. Here in 2020, we made some additions to the program, specifically when we kick off projects in the discovery stage. We added in a deep dive business discovery where we really understand your business, your objectives, your growth goals, so that we build a marketing and sales plan against those goals. We also added in a brand story workshop done by a story brand expert who comes in and helps refine your messaging and positioning of your business. Then we get into what you may traditionally know within our growth stack from last year, where we drive traffic, SEO, paid media, social. Of course we do that. Getting in then to the middle of the funnel, inbound marketing, and finally the bottom of the funnel, we've greatly improved our sales enablement offering, helping organizations take those marketing qualified leads and put the ball in the hoop, translating them into dollars in revenue. So really excited to introduce you guys to that 2020 version of it. It's live now. We're already rolling it out for certain clients. And check out the guide below, download it, and really get into the weeds of what the growth stack has to offer.